In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook calendar to Notion, streamlining your workflow for a more organized and efficient experience. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, integrating your calendar can help you keep all your important dates and tasks in one place. Follow along as we go through each step of the process. Firstly, let's get started by heading over to Notion. If you're already familiar with it, you probably know this is your hub for all things related to project management, wikis, and documentation. Once you arrive at Notion's homepage, look for the option to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for today, we'll assume you're logging in with your existing credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Notion home screen. This is where all your projects and pages are housed. Now that you're on your Notion homepage, the next step is to select the page where you'd like your calendar to appear. This could be a new page you've created specifically for scheduling or an existing one where you manage your tasks or projects. Click on the appropriate page to open it. Once you're on the desired page, the main part of our task begins. Inside the Notion page, you need to utilize the / command. If you're not familiar with the / command, it's essentially a quick way to bring up a range of options that let you add elements to your page. To do this, type in a / followed by the word embed. This will prompt Notion to provide you with an option to embed a link. The next thing you need is the URL to your Outlook calendar. You can typically generate this URL from your Outlook account settings. Make sure you've copied this link before you proceed with the next steps. Once you have the calendar URL copied to your clipboard, go back to your Notion page and paste this link into the embed block you just created by typing embed. Simply pasting the link isn't enough. After pasting, be sure to press enter. This is important because pressing enter tells Notion to go ahead and retrieve the contents of your link, embedding your calendar directly into the page. And that's it. Your Outlook calendar is now integrated into your Notion page. You should see your calendar displayed right there, allowing you to view your schedule without needing to toggle between applications. By keeping everything in Notion, you can manage your tasks more effectively and maintain a clearer overview of upcoming events. With everything set up, you're now fully equipped to take advantage of your Outlook calendar from within Notion. If there are updates or modifications to be made, you can return to this page and edit as needed. Feel free to explore other features within Notion that might enhance your productivity further. Enjoy this seamless integration and happy planning.